Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. Okay, so in this video today, we have a special collaboration and it's the grand finale of the Home Decor Luxe Club, Veda Squad, and that's hosted by Glam Elegant Living. Now, I do hope that you enjoyed all of the wonderful videos that all of these beautiful ladies have come out to show you to give you inspiration and motivation. Now, as I said, the main host of this collab is Lady Allie from Glam Elegant Living. And then we also have co-hosts, and that's Creations by Simone, the Rodgers House, Amethyst Adventures, DIY Design by CCW, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that's me. Okay, so I'm going to be linking the hosts and the co-hosts down below in the description box along with the channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure full watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist. Make sure and click that like button and comment below because we would love to hear from you. Okay, so what I decided to do today is decorate my coffee table. Isn't that bouquet absolutely gorgeous? And believe it or not, I did a DIY using one of the truffle bowls from the party section of the Dollar Tree. Now let me start over from the beginning. So I placed the tablecloth down in a cream color, and then I went ahead and draped it over with this beautiful rose garland. And now what I'm doing is placing 2 flute vases on either side of that bouquet, which by the way is sitting on a rose petal placemat. Okay, so we can't forget the mom sign and a couple of other things that remind me of my mom. So we're going to light some candles, finish decorating this table, and then we're going to head on over to the reveal. Now I do want to take a moment and thank the hosts and all of the co-hostesses for this collaboration. Now I do want to take a moment and also wish every mother or role model out there a happy and wonderful Mother's Day. I hope your day is blessed. Okay, I'm really liking how this table came out, and I hope you agree. So we're lighting up the candles. Let's head on over to the reveal, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy putting it together for you. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.